Welcome everyone, my name is Michael and today we're doing something a little different. We're going to be doing a drop pour. We're going to fill these cups up kind of like a dirty pour or a flip cup, and we're going to drop it, not the cup, just the paint inside, drop it down real hard into some negative space. And we're going to use some lamp black. We like it so far, it's been nice. Let's just clean up really fast, then we'll get to pouring, and I'll go through the colors as we pour them. I'll probably just start off with just one cup, and then we'll speed up. We'll do a whole bunch of cups just to have them ready. And yeah, that's going to be pretty fun. Now, I do want to put the black on the bottom of each cup. Let's start off here. The lamp black here. Now, let's just start going with some colors. Ready? We're going to go with a pearlized bright gold. All right. Then this is a metallic cobalt blue. The lemon yellow. Phthalo blue. Light blue permanent. And we're going to do a little bronze here. Alright, and we do want to put some titanium white right here. I do have to say that I do have silicone in all the colors except for the black, but I did put it in the white by mistake. So we'll see what happens. And let's just finish up this cup, and then we'll start the next cup. We'll speed it up. So, okay. I'll see you in a little bit, guys. Let's speed this up and have some fun. See how many we can make. Alright, guys. I'm back. I mean, I've been here. Now I'm just back speaking. So, there we go. That was fun. Looks like we're going to have 6 of these little guys to drop. As you can see, super messy. I really need to wear some gloves, I think. Not like that would make me less messy. I think it would probably just be healthier for me. Probably for all of us. I don't know. I should be touching this paint all the time. Ooh, I don't know what I did there. I just doubled up on the bronze. That means might as well finish off with some light blue. Yeah. All right, 6 cups we have right here. All right. All right, let's get these cups off. Oh, we are messy today, guys. Yes. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, let's get our lamp black down. I like, this is one of my favorite parts, believe it or not. I love just pouring this right down in there. I'll save a little. All right, just in case we need that. All right, let's give it a little torch. Oh yeah. I want to see these bubbles go. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, here we go. All right. Let's spread this out a little. All right, here we go. Another one. And come down. Nice in the reflection. You can see all my ring lights. So that's always fun. And let's go a little this way. And that's nice. Okay. Let's see how we're looking, guys. Right there for us. Let's get messy. Real messy. This is messy enough as it is, but let's get super messy. Ready? First one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, up high, and there we go. That's the first one. Woo! That was wild. Got some nice cell action. Here we go. Want a second one? Where should I put it? Right here? There we go. Ready? Just see it's up high. And bam! There we go. Woo! Look at the cells. It's amazing. I love it. You want to do another one? Going up. Here we go. Bam! Yeah. All right. I guess we'll keep going, right? Are we going to have any negative space left? Probably not. Oh, do we keep going? 1 more? 2 more? 3 more? 4 more? Let's do like the corners. Ready? I want to do right here. I want to do right there. Ready? Here we go. Bam! Yeah. Oh, that was the best color. That color was awesome. You know what? Let's do it. We're going right here. Here we go. Ready? No, change it up. We're going right there. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Bam! Yep, that gave me a little white in that corner. So that was cool. That might have been a good play. Maybe. Well, let's finish it off right here, guys. Right here. 1, 2, 3. Bam! And that must have sat the most in the cup. The longest. That was the hardest to get out, that one. I'll tell you what. All right. I think there's plenty of paint on this canvas. We do not need to add any extra negative space. Here we go. Let's do a quick torch. Then we'll do a real quick tilt. I don't know if you guys can even hear me over the torch, but wow, these cells. This is wild. All right. So obviously, you guys know, I think we're just going to go with maybe 1 or 2 of these cups next time. We didn't. This is overkill. All right, here we go. We're going to do some quick tilts. We're not going to take too long. Top corner. All right, come in. Yep, let's go bottom left. Get rid of some of that light blue. All right. Well, the bottom right is kind of already done, almost. Do that, but we're gonna come right back with it though. All right. Okay, so this is why we put the negative space in there, because you could see it is coming through. And let's finish off that last top right. I love that band right there. Oh, if we could figure out how to stretch this just enough to get the band to stay. And that blue band on the bottom is going to be weird. Hopefully there's some stuff going on underneath that. Should we pour that down a little? I think we should. Let's pour it down. You see that blue band, right? That's not just me. I want to pour that blue band right off. There we go. It changes composition altogether. Hopefully there's enough paint left on here to bring this back. Everything else we've really loved except for that one blue band right there. Oh, wow. All right, I think we keep this. Yep. Okay, we have it, guys. All right, she's coming down. And she's down. And what do you guys think? That looks great. All right, we're going for a close-up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later. Bye.